Students, and welcome to this module. This learning session is based on mobile wireless systems. After watching this video, the learners will be able to list types of mobile wireless systems. Paging system. Figure shows block schematic of wide area paging system. It consists of telephone line networks, a large number of paging terminals and transmission towers, satellite links, and paging control center. The paging systems are the communication systems which are used for sending a short message to the subscriber. This message can be different types such as numeric message which contains only numbers or alphanumeric one which contains numbers and text or even voice message. The modern paging systems provide news headlines, stock information, etc. to the subscriber. The message delivered to a subscriber is called as page. Simple paging systems may cover very small area of the order of 2 to 5 kilometers, whereas wide area paging system can provide a worldwide coverage. The paging receivers are simple in construction and inexpensive, but transmitters are quite complex and sophisticated. The radio towers simultaneously broadcast a page from each base station. This process is called simulcasting. Summary of paging system. Conventional paging systems send brief messages to a subscriber. Modern paging systems provide news headlines, stock quotations, facts, etc. to the subscriber. The radio towers simultaneously broadcast a page from each base station. Large transmission power is required to cover wide area. Cordless telephone system. The cordless telephone system are full duplex communication systems. They use radio frequency electromagnetic waves to connect the base station to a portable handset. The block diagram of cordless telephone system is shown in the figure. The key features of first generation cordless phones are in-home use, communication to dedicated base unit, and few tens of meters. Second generation cordless phones allow subscriber to use their handsets at many outdoor locations. The paging operation is also possible. The range of coverage of the second generation cordless phones is a few hundred meters. Here is a question for you. List types of mobile wireless systems. Stop the video for a moment and write down your answers. Oh, you wrote the answers. Very good. Just tally it. Mobile wireless systems are cordless telephone system, paging system, and cellular telephone system. Cellular telephone system. This is a schematic diagram of basic typical cellular telephone system. It is basically a wireless telephone system. It is multi-user system. It provides connection to the PSTN for any user location within the radio range of the system. Characteristics of the cellular telephone systems are large number of users, large geographic area, limited frequency spectrum, reuse of the radio frequency by the concept of cell. Basic cellular systems deals with mobile station, base station, and Mobile Switching Center. Thank you very much. Hope you have enjoyed learning in this module.